And 6 months into Donald Trump's comeback, America and the global order are unrecognizable.
Approval ratings fluctuate, markets soar, but beneath the surface lies a calculated storm reshaping wars, trade, borders, as well as politics, of course. Friends and foes both are in the firing line as the US president toes the America First line. Our next report gets you more on this. Take a look.
We achieved more in 6 months than almost any administration could accomplish in 8 years.
Right from Inauguration Day, Donald Trump set in motion a systemic overhaul, signing a mountain of executive orders. Immigration crackdown was at the top of his agenda, accompanied by a bid to end birthright citizenship. Trump also established the Elon Musk-led Doge. For most of February, the US president passed more executive orders. But the avalanche of these orders was met with equal force, with many lawsuits against most of the US administration's policy decisions. By the time February ended, all everyone could talk about was the infamous clash between Trump and his Ukrainian counterpart Volodymyr Zelensky at the Oval Office. Come March, Trump announced 25% tariffs on imports from Mexico and Canada as a move against drug trafficking and immigration. But as days passed, a scandal rocked the administration. The Yemen war chat leak, revealed by the editor of The Atlantic magazine, shook Trump's core cabinet. April began with a market bloodbath. Moments after Donald Trump, in the gardens of the White House, announced a long list of reciprocal tariffs against America's trade partners. Trump called it Liberation Day, but just a few days later suspended the tariffs for 90 days to allow countries a chance to negotiate. New month, new standoff. As the US president targeted top Ivy League universities, the rift with Harvard in particular divided American society. The Trump administration sent a list of orders to Harvard. The institution chose to defy them and stood its ground, but lost government grants in the process. From here began public discourse and dissent over academic freedom and inclusivity. June witnessed a very public fallout between Trump and his once close ally, billionaire Elon Musk. Musk lashed out at Trump's big beautiful bill, calling it a disgusting abomination. The US president saw Musk's critique as a personal vendetta for the EV mandate. But by mid-June, attention shifted to the Israel-Iran war, as Trump and his administration scrambled to negotiate peace, but not before getting directly involved in bombing Iran's nuclear facilities. By the end of June, Trump announced a ceasefire between Iran and Israel. It is July. The US president has still not succeeded in ending the Russia-Ukraine war. Tariff negotiations are still ongoing with some nations, while others have been handed out letters. Markets have stabilized after April's volatility, but Americans are unhappy with Trump's approach to economic policies, particularly inflation. Controversies are raging on issues like the Epstein files, and cases still remain in court. Many policies face nationwide injunctions. The US president's ratings across several polls has declined. Voices from within the Republican camp and the larger MAGA movement are critical of many of his decisions. But Trump remains confident of retaining control in the midterm elections next year. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.